trilobites, dinosaurs, woolly mammoths. These are all animals that went extinct. They're gone forever. But could we ever get new kinds of animals? Can we human beings even create or invent animals? Scientists haven't figured out how to invent animals yet, but we can slowly change how animals look. We do this by breeding two different animals together. That sounds genius, right? Now, I don't mean any two animals. For example, say you wanted a dinosaur-looking animal. You might consider starting with a giraffe and crossing that with an iguana. That would certainly look very dinosaur-like. But this will not work. In order to have babies, the animals have to be similar to each other. They have to be the same species or same kind of animal. A giraffe and an iguana are totally different from each other. They're not even close to being the same species. One is a furry, horse-like mammal. The other is a scaly lizard reptile. It just won't work. But now two different iguanas, say a mother iguana and a father iguana, they're the same species. They can definitely have babies together. So how would we change how iguanas look by breeding them together? I mean, all iguanas look pretty much exactly the same, right? They're green, they got scales, they got spikes, but they really don't all look exactly the same. There are always small differences between each one. Say, for example, that these two iguanas had babies. What you'd notice is that, for the most part, all the babies look like their parents. They're all green, they have spikes on their back, they all have nice long tails. But they're not all exactly the same. For example, this one right here is slightly smaller than the others. And this one is slightly bigger than the others. This one has a few more spikes on his back. This one is a little bit yellow. And this one is a little bit blue. Say the one that was a little bit blue really caught your eye, and it happened to be a girl iguana. You thought, ooh, now I wish I could have even bluer colored iguanas than this. So you visit your friend who's been raising iguanas. Here's some of the iguanas he's got. If you wanted to get even bluer iguanas, which of your friend's iguanas would you pick to have babies with your iguana? Why?